Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel Forever Glowing Up, and today I have some products to show you guys that I use for my MICROLOCS. So I'll just get right into it. I use two different types of shampoos. So the first one I use is a clarifying shampoo by Suave or Suave, I'm not sure how to pronounce, Essential, and again has a great lather on it. I use that about 2 times, rinse it out, and then I'll go in with my other shampoo. This is a newer shampoo that I've been using. I think it's pronounced Ouai or Ouai. I'm not sure. I should look it up probably. But I love this shampoo, and it's for thick hair. So they have different types of shampoos depending on your hair's density. And apparently it's a really good product. I was like doing research and typing like what's the best shampoos for natural hair, for thick hair, etc. And that one popped up, and apparently there's like a lot of reviews that people love it. I didn't know that. I just did it. I just got it based on my own research. But if you go online, there's like a lot of great reviews for that, for this brand. I use the conditioner. I was using this conditioner, I should say, same brand. And I had to stop because my hair is naturally curly, like really curly, as you can probably see. I'll come closer. But like the ends of my hair, they're still super curly. They're not locked. And I just went to get my hair retied today, so I'll come and show you some guys like some close-up picture of my scalp. But my loctician said that because my hair is naturally curly, my ends will probably like never lock. But you know, the longer it gets, the more locked it'll be. But my ends probably in themselves like will never lock because it's so curly. So with that being said, because I do have this hair that's like exposed still and not locked, I do put some leave-in conditioners by the same brand, and it's pretty thick. So you gotta kind of shake it up. But my house is cold too, so that might, you know, affect it. But let me see if I actually got the texture. So that's how it kind of looks, you know, like on your, like on my hand. And I'll literally just like rub it in my hand. I'll put it on my ends of my hair like this, and I'll braid my hair up. And that's all I do. I don't put a lot. Little goes a long way, and it smells so good. Also, I use I'm going to start using 2 different types of oils. So the first one I've been using is the rosemary mint by Miel. So I use this oil. I love it. The smell doesn't bother me. I know some people, they're not really big fans of rosemary or mint, but I love how they smell, and they're really good for the hair. So I literally go in on my scalp. I gotta get that scalp thing that you can like put the oil in and just like, you know, just go through your hair with it. But I literally just go in my scalp and just like apply the oil like row by row, and then, you know, put it on my fingertips and just kind of like give myself like a hair massage. And it's a great oil. It's really good for hair growth. You like look up the properties of rosemary and mint for circulation and stimulation of your scalp. So it's a great oil to use if you wanna, if you're really big on, you know, like the health of your hair. And then I just recently purchased this oil. Oh, can you guys see that's kind of clear? There we go. This oil, same brand by the, you know, the shampoo and the conditioner. It's a hair oil. I haven't used it yet. I heard great things about it. It's for frizz, and it seals split ends for the hair. It's a nice gloss for the hair, super smooth finish. So I'm excited to see how that looks on the hair. Before I go to bed, I will like put that on my hair, and then I'll braid my hair overnight, and then I just take it down. So literally, if you are thinking about getting locks, just go ahead and do it. I love my locks. It's the best decision I've ever made for my hair. I've grown my hair to waist length before, past waist length actually, and this is just like a new journey for me. My hair is pretty long, especially like I pull it down, you know, and it's pretty long. So I'm not like worried about me getting to waist length like at all. I know it's gonna happen because I've done it before. I'll do it again, but I'm more so concerned, not concerned, but I'm more so focused on like the health of my hair and my scalp. And the main things with healthy hair is starts with a healthy scalp, and just like focus on eating your healthy foods, your green leafy vegetables, and making sure you're getting enough water, and also taking your vitamins. I do take vitamins. Maybe I'll do a separate video about which vitamins I take, but I take vitamins for different reasons. So I do try to eat more vitamins that are like related to like the fats and stuff like that. So I'll go into more detail about that and what I take for vitamins. But one thing I can tell you now is that I always take a prenatal. A prenatal is, you should be taking it, honestly, if you're not pregnant. And after you become pregnant, you should continuously still take it, because it's good for your body. And it's good for your overall body, but your hair as well. With, with hair loss and things like that. Not medical advice. Not medical advice, but it's just a suggestion that you should continue to take it even after you've given birth. And if you're planning on having babies, definitely start taking it before. And it's really good for your hair. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna come closer. This is how my hair is looking. It's really healthy. My scalp looks it just looks so good. I love it. And it's nice and full and thick. And honestly, I want my hair to stay nice and thick. This thickness, it won't peep, if I get my hair braided down a little bit, it won't be that thick. But in general, if it stayed this thick, chef's kiss for me. I love having thick hair. Let me come back this way. So this is how my hair looks from the side. I'm gonna turn around slowly. And this is how it looks from the back. So now I'll go through my scalp. I'm gonna post some pictures or videos online on my Instagram of my hair. My reties are every 6 weeks. Okay. So every 6 weeks I get my hair done. So every 6 weeks I'll definitely be posting the date of. Unless it's at nighttime, I try to get my hair done in the morning because I have a lot of things to do. So mornings are just better for me to start my day. But I can just, as you can see, I can't stop smiling because I love my hair. It's just, I just love it. It's the best decision ever. Ever. Can't stop touching it. So, let me see. Sorry, that piece, I just saw that piece was bothering me. There we go. So, what I will do today, and what I do every night pretty much, is I will braid my hair. I'll put my oil in my scalp. I'll braid my hair down, tie it up, literally take it out. Next day my hair is just, it looks great and it's ready to go. That's all I do, every day. That's all I do. And satin scarf, satin bonnet. Sometimes I will use a scarf, satin scarf, and then I will put some bonnet over it just because I move around a lot in my sleep sometimes. So, I don't want my scarf falling off, so I have that extra protection. So yeah, comment below, like, share, subscribe, comment below any questions you have about my hair care. Honestly, it's very simple. I do the same thing literally all the time. I might dye my hair, but that might be in a few years, maybe 3 to 4 years I'll dye it jet black. My hair is naturally a darker black, but it has some brown in it. And these highlights that I've gotten, they've been here for I want to say at least about 2.5 to 3 years now. So, and it was on virgin hair, meaning I hadn't had any kind of dye in my hair. So it took really well. It turned out better than I actually anticipated. So yeah, just comment below if you have any questions for me. And thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. Hopefully, I'm posting, more consistently. These past 2 weeks, I've just been relaxing and getting things back in order. But I am loving my hair journey. I don't regret my decision. It's literally the best thing ever for me and my lifestyle. So if you're considering getting locks, go ahead and do it. And until next time, you guys, have a great day. Bye.